Meaning of fiber.
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 Fiber. Fiber refers to the indigestible parts of plant-based foods. It is a type of carbohydrate that our body cannot fully break down, meaning it passes largely unchanged through the digestive system. Fiber can be divided into two types, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in the gut, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, promoting regularity. Adequate fiber intake is important for overall health, with benefits such as improved digestion, blood sugar control, and lower risk of heart disease.